Hi, I'm Ranger Kyle.
And I'm Ranger Ryan, and we're here at the Grand Canyon. All right.
Welcome
to the Grand Canyon.
I'm Kyle.
And I'm Ryan.
And today we have
Popsicles. We're going to be reviewing these popsicles for you today.
And we'll tell you what we think about them. Let's just dig right into it.
What happened to yours?
I don't know.
Mine is grape flavored.
Wild blueberry. I have a lot in my mouth right now.
It's really good. Can I try yours?
Yeah. What we good with that? Can I try yours? Oh, I like that one.
I like yours. Trade.
All right, we got these Popsicles at Walmart for about $1 or $2. And I must say, they're actually pretty good. A lot better than I thought they would be.
I'd give mine a 36 out of 4%.
All right, that was a good rating, not gonna lie. I'd have to give mine, 2 aspen trees out of 40 pines. Now, that may sound bad, but here at the Grand Canyon, aspens are really, there's not a whole lot, but there's a lot of pines. So I think it's a fairly good rating, actually. Can we trade again? Thank you.
But don't take our word for it. Here's a couple people who also had some.
What type of popsicle you got there?
I don't know yet. What do you think? Cherry?
I'm thinking cherry.
Oh, cherry.
I love cherry.
I tell you, how do we live without cherry? Coming from somebody that's from the national park, it's probably organic, and I would give it a 10.
How would you like that popsicle? Is it good?
I give this 8 polar bears out of 10. It's very good. Very good. It's very refreshing. It's not too heavy in the syrup. It's a lot lighter. I like the light flavor. And on a day like today, Popsicle goes down real well.
Heck yeah, it does. And when was the last time you ever seen a polar bear?
Probably at the Denver Zoo many years ago.
Wow, and that's a ways away.
Yep.
Welcome.
Thank you.
I'm glad you're enjoying this.
Is this the road to Yellowstone?
Hi, I'm here with Katie. She's eating a blue popsicle. Katie, tell us a little bit about that.
So I'm allergic to eggs.
Okay.
Ellie, how'd you like that popsicle?
It was good.
It was good? Would you recommend it?
Yes.
I mean, I really like artificial banana flavored things. Okay. So I'd say probably like an 8 out of 10.
It's a great rating. How about you,
That was
sir?
a great rating. I'd give mine a 7.
This is awesome. We got a free popsicle on a nice day here.
I guess so.
I rate this popsicle a 4.
4.
I'd give this popsicle about a 7. It's nice and green. Warms you up,
Now that one's grape. What flavor is that one?
I have no idea.
No idea. Mystery flavor. We still haven't figured it out yet.
Well,
Lime.
Lime.
it's very sour, and I like that.
Okay.
And I like the color.
Okay.
It's very flavorful, and I recommend people buying this.
What a steal, am I right? We got 18 of them for $2.
That's a good price.
If you could give that popsicle a rating, what would you give it?
I'd give it a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. That's a pretty good rating.
Solid cherry flavor, exuberant color. Would you like a rating
Yes, please.
based off of 10?
Or it could be out of anything you want.
Okay, so off of 16, I give it a 15.5.
I would agree.
Hits the
Good-
spot. It's
good
not too
taste.
hot today, but it hits the spot. Indeed.
I've never felt under so much pressure to eat a popsicle.
No pressure at all, please.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah?
Tastes very purple.
Okay.
Probably like 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
It's refreshing.
That's a pretty fair rating.
Yeah.
I'm glad it tastes like purple.
Very cool, delicious. I give it about a 8.
Best damn popsicle I've ever had.
All right, thank you.
Good.
Thank you for taking some time out of your busy schedule to eat some of our popsicles.
Got a blue popsicle.
Okay.
I think it tastes like blueberry.
Yeah.
No, it's raspberry.
Blue raspberry. Mine's a small version, child size, but it's
But yes, I would recommend it to other people.
It's quite delicious on a warm day like today. Well, the flavors, it's probably a 7 out of 10 on the flavor. The nice cool effect that it brings to your mouth, yeah, it's probably about a 6 out of 10, I suppose.
6 out of 10.
You know, it goes away pretty quick, so you can't give it full 10.
Right.
It actually has a pretty good match to the color of the sky, so.
Can you see that? Yeah. You're right. One's right in.
Yeah, overall, I'd say it's a solid 6.
Solid 6.
That's excellent. Very good. Is it homemade?
No, not at all.
Really?
Yeah.
It's great for out here in this heat. I'll tell you that. This thing's going to be gone in about 30 seconds.
I'm glad you enjoy it. If you could give your popsicle a rating, what would you give it?
Well, considering the heat and the flavor,
Yeah.
I'll give it 11 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
Yeah.
Wow. You are our first 11 out of 10 today. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. I feel special. And
You are special.
Okay. Good lime taste. I like that there's 2 handles, can share with a friend.
Absolutely.
Overall, good popsicle. Doesn't taste too sugary.
Okay.
I'd give it a solid 7.5 on the popsicle scale.
7.5 on the popsicle scale.
Avanti si muovono, ma sapete? Ma che fanno i soldi, Zaghi? No, no.
Take picture?
Can I keep it? No. I'll give it him back. It was amazing that he hasn't even flinched. Hiya! See you later! Didn't even move!
$50, not much. That's
college
such a cool.
Alright, we're gonna
They're
jump
doing
into
pretty
some
well.
photos.
Alright, go ahead.
Doing stuff to them?
Yeah, just no touching. You want to keep going?
Well, guys, we've handed out popsicles. We've stood around. We've looked at that. It's been a fun day. Thank you for watching.
I've been Ryan.
I've been Ranger Kyle.
Oh, I'm Ranger Ryan.
And we'll catch you next time.
On the Fusty Food Review. Thanks for watching. All right, someone help me get my leg down.